Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be working on our MITs, which are the most important tasks. I am starting in the bathroom today. I was pointing out the disgusting that's in the sink that we'll need to clean up and probably soak, but we're going to jump right into it, so let's get started. So with any normal cleaning job, you have to remove everything out of the way so that you don't get cleanser on it. So I'm just removing everything off the surface of the counter so that I can start spraying down. I believe that is Method, and when I show it to you, I will address this one more time, but I'm going to spray the Method down to clean the bathroom. I'm also going to take that towel and slap it across the shower so that it's not in my way. The last time I did this, it got it really disgusting. Has anyone noticed the new faucet in the bathroom? I absolutely hate it. It was a nightmare trying to clean everything. But I will point out, with it being brand new, and I don't even think it's a week old right now, it was much easier to clean it, so I will point that out, but this is going to be a nightmare to clean. One of the things I'm definitely going to have to remember in my videos is cleaning from top to bottom. I am going to go back in just a moment here and knock everything into the sink because I need to clean the mirrors. So here I am with my 7th generation glass cleaner. I am going to spray the glass down. If you happen to notice, a lot of people that do these types of videos, when they do their cleaning, they go back with an extra cloth that's dry and hasn't been used on anything. If you would watch just really quick before I sprayed it on there, you could see all of the water spots and stuff on the mirror. We use it to be able to dry the product so that it doesn't leave those spots behind or any streaking. It does actually give it a more polished, professional appearance when you've completed the task. So now that I've got it clean, I'm going to show you guys, I missed a spot, that the mirror is now clean and streak free. You don't see any of the spots or the residue left behind. And I'm doing a very special thing for some special people. It's a family thing. Rolling forward. So I finally had about as much as I could take on these end tables of how filthy they are. So we're going to go ahead and get these cleaned up. We're also going to dust and sanitize them. Make it look a little bit better than it does right now. I think I was totally feeling the cleaning vibe on this day. As you sit and watch me clean it, I kind of just shake about and enjoy myself as I sit there and clean. It's one of the things that a lot of people don't necessarily address, that cleaning doesn't have to be boring. You can make it incredibly fun to do. you sit and watch, you can see me pulling my DIY disinfecting wipes out. Eventually I'll make a video on this showing you guys how I did it. I haven't quite gotten to that point yet, but maybe we'll make it a MIT video in the future. Since this is the table that houses all the electronics, I wanted to be super careful. All clean. On this day I had some laundry to knock out, so I'm going to quickly fold it up. I can tell you right now that the table did get cleaned. I just didn't film it on this day and add it into this particular video, but this kind of comes with the territory of learning YouTube. I thought this part was too funny, I had to add it, where you can see me filming myself off of the other camera I've got. So I've cleaned up the coffee table and am wiping it down with a disinfectant. I again apologize that I didn't film cleaning the coffee table. I just had not enough time to get it into this video. That's everything for this week. See you next time.